Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered how some celebrities seem to get lighter overnight? From Bollywood to Hollywood, skin whitening has been a trending beauty standard for years. But is it all makeup, lighting, or something more scientific? And if it's that simple, why does it backfire for many others? Stay with me as we uncover the real science behind skin color, celebrity whitening treatments, and the dangerous side effects that nobody talks about. Before we dive into treatments, let's understand the biological reason why we have different skin tones. The color of our skin is controlled by a pigment called melanin, which is produced by melanocytes in the skin. There are two types of melanin: eumelanin, dark brown to black pigment. More eumelanin means darker skin, and it acts as a natural UV shield. Pheomelanin, yellow to reddish-brown pigment. More pheomelanin means lighter skin, but it provides little UV protection. Geography has played a big role in skin color evolution. People near the equator have higher eumelanin to protect against harsh sun rays, while populations in colder climates evolved lighter skin to absorb more vitamin D. But here's the thing, our skin tone is genetically predetermined. So, if melanin is so crucial, why are so many people obsessed with altering their natural shade? Celebrities, especially in the entertainment industry, often feel pressure to meet conventional beauty standards. Many undergo expensive treatments to achieve a lighter skin tone. But how do these treatments actually work? Glutathione is an antioxidant that reduces melanin production by inhibiting tyrosinase, an enzyme responsible for melanin formation. It also converts dark eumelanin into lighter pheomelanin, giving the skin a fairer look. Risks: liver damage, kidney dysfunction, and an increased risk of skin cancer. Hydroquinone bleaches the skin by decreasing melanin production. It is banned in several countries due to its toxic effects. Risks: skin irritation, ochronosis, permanent dark spots, and even cancer. These work by removing the top skin layers to reveal newer, lighter skin. Risks: scarring, burns, and permanent pigmentation disorders. Mercury blocks melanin production but is highly toxic. Risks: mercury poisoning, nerve damage, and kidney failure. These treatments cost anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 per session, requiring multiple follow-ups. And guess what? The effects are temporary. Stop the treatments, and your skin tone reverts back. But what's even worse is the long-term damage they cause. Case studies of skin whitening disasters. A woman in the Philippines suffered a fatal heart attack after glutathione injections. Users of mercury-based creams reported neurological disorders and organ failure. Chemical peels have left people with permanent burns and scars. Myth 1. Fairer skin is more attractive. Fact: scientific studies show that attractiveness is based on symmetry, confidence, and clear skin, not skin color. Beauty standards vary worldwide. While some cultures desire lighter skin, others seek tanning treatments to look darker. Myth 2. Skin whitening is permanent. Fact: most treatments only suppress melanin temporarily. Once discontinued, melanin levels return to normal. Myth 3. Natural remedies can permanently lighten skin. Fact: lemon juice, aloe vera, or turmeric can improve skin texture, but will not change your genetic skin tone permanently. Instead of harmful treatments, here's how you can naturally maintain glowing skin. Eat a balanced diet rich in vitamin C, E, and antioxidants to boost natural radiance. Hydrate well. Dehydration makes skin dull. Use sunscreen daily to prevent hyperpigmentation. Exfoliate naturally with safe ingredients like honey, coffee, and oats. Embrace your natural skin tone. Healthy skin is beautiful skin. Skin whitening is not just about beauty. It's a social and psychological issue driven by unrealistic beauty standards. Instead of chasing fairness, let's redefine beauty by embracing healthy, natural skin. Remember, confidence and self-acceptance are far more attractive than any skin tone. What are your thoughts on this? Let's discuss in the comments. Subscribe for more science-backed beauty truths. Like and share to spread awareness. Stay happy and stay healthy.